And so another night on the drift car begins.
Yeah, boy.
Let's do it. Let's get it inside. You're steering.
Yeah. Gameplay.
Alright, so we've been a little bit slack, haven't we? With the videoing and building.
Yes.
Not building, the videoing.
Yeah.
But we've been busy doing stuff.
Yeah.
So the engine's come in and out a couple of times. We've got new radiator. That's got to get mounted. I've got to do a brace across there. But before that happens, we've got some gears that have turned up that I'll show you in a minute.
Yep.
The oil pump gears. Do you want to show them what you've been doing? You want me to go on this side and you go from that side? Saul's been building a gearbox tunnel.
This is the tunnel that I've come up with. I've still got to go underneath, clean up and weld the underside of it as well, just to try seal it from dirt and smoke and that sort of thing. But yeah, it's mostly designed for ease of access, so we've opened the tunnel right up so we can undo bell housing bolts pretty easy. But yeah, that's what I've got so far. I officially hate grinding since last Tuesday, but nonetheless.
And didn't clean the grinding sparks out, and then rain came in the driver's window that's opened. And, hey. So when this comes out tonight, we have got from noprepperformance.com, we've got their oil pump gears, billet oil pump gears to obviously pump oil. But these are for saving the engine. Apparently the Barra gears do fail, and you need these if you're going to be holding it on the higher RPMs, which we will be. Welsh plugs will be going in some of the coolant galleries that need to be done. Plus we've got a twin plate extreme performance clutch and flywheel combination, and this is set up to be able to work with a single rail. So it's probably going to be the only single rail in the world with a twin plate on it of this size and caliber.
So hot.
It looks good, doesn't it? Cool. Alright, let's get this engine out. It's coming out. Not good. Voila! Sometimes when you're working on your engine or car, you have to get creative even with your tools. These dowels on the back of the engine was restricting getting on the engine mount. So I've got another couple of engine mounts here, and this one had too small of a hole. That one was closer, but it wasn't quite big enough, so we had to actually get the drill bit, massive 16mm drill bit, and drill that out a little bit to get that to go on, and it's a nice snug fit now. That'll go on there. We can tighten that up, and yeah, it's not always straightforward when it comes to working on cars. Now, what are you up to? Where are you at? You were tidying up stuff under here.
Just strengthening where the gearbox mounts are.
Oh yeah, cool.
Just boxing them in. Just
Sweet.
holes. What did you find?
Someone's tried to stop an oil leak coming through the keyway of the crank and put silicone on it.
Yeah. That's a poop.
It wasn't actually too hard to get off. I've seen a lot of people struggle a lot more than that on videos of getting them off.
Yeah, what was the combo? You just used a...
I just used a two-jaw puller, and then got it against the centre of the bolt. I had that sitting out off the harmonic balancer a little bit. And then when the harmonic balancer got to the face of that, I just used the spanner and wound the bolt out and just held it. Worked perfect.
Easy peasy squeezy melon. And I've been burning holes, but the tunnel's starting to look tunnely. Just trying to...
Tunnely.
That's boxed in on that side, and I've just been stitching the outside skin in. Oh yeah, it's resembles some avian excrement.
There's just something else I found in here. The water pump gallery.
Some biscuit base for your cheesecake.
Oh.
Come on, Dean, go. No.
So we've just lifted the rocker cover off, and as it came off, there's some rattling noises in here. What? Lucky we didn't just run this. Look at this. Look at what's coming out.
What is that?
Hang on, move.
Is that like tensioner stuff? Is that it?
It's not rattling anymore.
What?
PCV valve.
Oh,
Parts?
yeah?
So that's
Where's
that's
the
the
PCV?
breather. That's where the breather goes.
Oh, yeah. I reckon.
Lucky we didn't just run that.
Oh.
There you go, Barra owners. Beware.
That's what the cams look like.
Yeah, is there any load wear or anything? First time we've opened it.
Yeah, we've never even seen in there. It was very stuck on.
Oh, a little bit. No, about that.
Not terrible.
Just put some good oil in it. Should be right.
Clean.
Yeah, gas motors.
Gassy.
Woof!
How many snacks are in there?
No jiggly bits in this one.
Oh, no snacks. Nice head towel. So.
That'll work. So I've got all the timing chain undone. I lined up the top dead centre and got the cams at the top with the marks that are up here. Removed all the tensioner and chain and everything, and now I've got the pump undone and it just comes off nice and easy. So that's your oil pump. Where are you up to? Update?
Tunnel is 99.99% welded out. It's a tunnel.
So it's done.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's
For a man that doesn't like grinding much, you really need to get this new app because it seems like you like grinding a lot. What are you doing? Painting?
painting.
Finger painting?
With a brush. Automotive paint brushing. Rather agricultural. No,
Look.
Like
It's stitched together and it works. Oh, you welded all of the seams on the inside.
Yeah, just try to keep all the dirt and water and stuff out.
Yep,
We
fair
will chuck
enough.
some seam sealer on it as well, just to really keep all that stuff out. But look, it'll work. Can you tell there was better poos in there?
Wow!
That's sound deadening melting and then coming through and then mixing with it, and then I'm like, put some more on it, and then cool off and more, and do some more.
Tool Tech will be proud.
Sorry, Jason.
And where I'm at, I've got the oil pump out. I've washed it all out with a bit of brake clean. I've even taken the pressure relief valve out and cleaned that. Now I've just got the oil pump gears that need to be dropped in there. I need to put some lube in it first, which is some of this engine assembly lube will squeeze in there. Here's a little trick for you. Cable tie on your folded up tubes when you're running low in your tube. It makes it easy to get it all out and keep it at the end. Now we've got our outer gear in of the oil pump. The NPR logo is at the top and that dot there is also at the top. We can put our second one in. Now the dots don't need to line up, you just basically need them at the top so you know that that is the top and that is the top. Now this is where you see the oil pump, how it works. It just basically moves around like that inside. It doesn't actually rotate the inside around like that. It does turn on the crank in the center. It's good to get this lined up so it actually lines up on the crank and on line with the actual hole in the oil pump down through the bottom. So my wife does an amazing job at making our uniforms. They are made here at Pokey's Mechanical, and she's actually retiring from doing these because they take a lot of effort and a lot of work. And these were brand new hoodies, weren't they, Saul?
Were.
That
I made some custom adjustments.
she is not going to be happy with you.
I was like, oh, my arm's warm. I'm on fire.
Oh,
Yeah,
Ebony
baby, I'm on fire.
she's not going to be happy with you.
Come at me.
Oof. Oh, you are. Oh, you're going to go hungry this week.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, that'll do for tonight. So one day down, we're going to be doing this more frequently. I'm going to actually have time to be coming and doing stuff after hours other than just Tuesday nights.
There's a tunnel.
There's a tunnel in there. Saul's done a great job of this. Very proud. Well done. I had someone call in I had to spend some time with tonight, so I've only just got the oil pump on the car, on the engine. Timing chain and everything will go on shortly, so timing cover and sump and all that sort of stuff will go back on and get sealed.
Yep.
And then the engine's together, done, ready to go.
Clutch.
And then once it comes off the engine stand, clutch will go on. And gearbox, well, then put it in, bell housing on, put in, gearbox on.
Yep.
And it's in the car, then it's set up the pedal and clutch assembly, and
Yep.
then it's wiring and it's plumbing for the coolant.
What was
and ready to start. Tail shaft's the only other thing that's a major thing.
We need a starter.
No, we got one.
Cool.
Yeah, got one over there. Brand new one.
Wire it up.
So yeah, it'll be wire up and crank her over and get oil pressure and then start.
Fair. Alright,
So-
catch us next week.
Catches, bye.